video or whatever. Okay, so look, as you can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup in 15 minutes or so, or less. Honestly, it just depends on what you decide to do that day, or what I decide to do that day. But this makeup routine takes me honestly no more than 15 minutes. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face using my Milk Hyrdrogrip primer. Ever since my last video where my Instagram followers picked my makeup, I honestly started picking this back up, honestly. And I'm gonna try not to talk as much because I really want this video to really only be like 15 minutes. It's not gonna be shot in real time because I talk too much when that type of stuff happens, so then it won't take 15 minutes. But you know, if I wasn't filming or anything, this would probably actually take me 10 minutes. Like, I'm really not gonna do much. And I'm also filming another video later, so I needed to do my makeup for that as well. So that's what I'm showing y'all. Okay, cool. And this is probably gonna take the longest, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. Brows take me the longest. Even like my eyeshadow don't even take me that long. That's all I'm doing for my brows. Of course, I'm gonna go in and clean them up, but also I'm going to take my brow gel, and this is the Anastasia brow gel in dark brown, the same shade that I get my brow dip brow and definer and my brow lids. I get all those shades in dark brown. And this literally just helps you finish your brows, honestly. Like, when my brows are actually done, I'll just run this through my brows and that is it. My brows still need to be done. Hopefully I can go next week. I gotta see if my brow lady is gonna be open, because I need my brows. So anyway, moving on. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation, and I'm actually gonna use a brush for my foundation because it actually helps the foundation process go by a lot faster when you use a brush versus a sponge. So I'm actually gonna be using all brushes today, not a single sponge, because I honestly feel like sponges slow you down. A brush, you can just go real quick, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. And if I didn't mention, this is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear. It made several points in my last video, so I figured why not do it for this one, honestly. For concealer, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 12. And I'm also going to blend this out with a brush as well. Because like I said, it just speeds up the process for me, in my opinion. So you don't have to if you don't want to, but they honestly do really speed up the process. And while this is getting a little tacky, I'm going to go ahead and clean up my brows with the same concealer. I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics brush to blend this concealer out. And I just got word that I'll be going back to work really soon. So now I'm gonna be doing a whole lot more batch filming because I've been pretty consistent the last couple of weeks and I don't want to lose that consistency. So I'm gonna definitely be batch filming. And y'all, my Juvia's Place palette is supposed to be here tomorrow, so hopefully I can have that video up either this week or next because I'm excited to use it. Okay, so now I'm going to set all of that into place with my Mercier setting powder and this more loose BH Cosmetic brush. And just to set my entire face, I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. Of course, this is an oldie but a goodie. I love this powder so much. Because I'm going in with a powder bronzer, so I'm just going to set the rest of my face with this. I love this brush. It's so big. It gets everywhere you need it to go. Bronzer today, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe, what is it called? The Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer. I don't know, I haven't really seen these talked about, like the new ones when they extended the shade range for the Glamour Bronze bronzers, but this bronzer is like perfect. I love this bronzer so much. I'm gonna go into the Chocolates palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna just take this brown down here in the corner and use that as my all over lid shade. And if you don't want to use the actual eyeshadow, you can definitely just take your bronzer and do the same exact thing. But I just liked how chocolate and skin tone like this one was, so I just went in with this one. ahead and put the glue on my lashes so they can get tacky, but I'm taking the lashes from Jaunty Cosmetics and they're in the style Poppington. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then I'll come back. Okay, so my lash glue is drying right now, so I'm gonna go ahead with my Maybelline, the Falsies, the Falsies Lash Lift mascara, just to coat my lashes before I put the falsies on. I did that so backwards, but anyway. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. That's why I said I did it backwards, because I should have done it on my eyeliner first, but I don't know what's up with me. I'm just putting this on here to coat, not coat, but cover up my lash band. I'm not doing a wing today. I've actually been liking my makeup without one. So I am not even-handed. Why did I even try it? Else, like when they're putting on their lashes, if the box don't say right or left, struggle to figure out which one is right and left. I do that, especially if the lashes don't like have a flare out point, like they get small and then they flare out. If they don't do that, then I struggle trying to figure out which one is which. So I just be praying on it. I feel like I put these on the right direction. I hope so. If not, child, they on there like this today. There y'all is. Oh, these are so cute. This is my first time wearing this specific pair of lashes. My lashes off and reapply because it was poking me in my damn eye. But yeah, so moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and take that same mascara, put that on my lower lash line. Actually, you know what? Let me do this first. I'm going to take my black eyeliner and line my waterline. And now I'm gonna take my mascara and do my lower lashes. Oh, this kind of got like dark. But anyway, moving on, I'm going to take my highlighter palette. And I'm going to take this shade in bronze. And I'm also going to take that same color and put it in my inner corner. Just to make it look like I did more than I actually did, because I didn't. And the brow bone, sis. I can't believe I barely highlight my brow bone these days. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this gloss from Sculpt Cosmetics. So this gloss is actually from my nail tech. Like, I know you'll be seeing my nails to be bomb, right? Bomb, right? Okay, yeah, so listen. She makes some glosses and lip oils and stuff, and I bought some. I think this one is called Memphis Pink. There isn't any names on them. I'm gonna pull it up on the website real quick. Wait, I changed my mind. I'm still going in with a gloss from Sculpt Cosmetics. I bought like 6 of her glosses, if I'm not mistaken. And I was like, well, since I can't get my nails done right by her right now, I'm gonna support her other business ventures. So I bought some glosses, and this gloss is a brown. It's like a really pretty brown gloss. And this one is called, I'm not sure what this one is called. I think it was called Big Boss, if I'm not mistaken, but it's no longer on her website, so I can't find it. It's just a really pretty gloss. And like when you see it on, you can actually see some of the brown. And her glosses are glossy, okay? And they're not sticky either. I hate sticky glosses. I hate them. And you can see like the stuff in between your lips. I don't like that. This is a glossy gloss. I'm looking at it. Period, boo. This is cute. So yeah, you guys, this is the completed look. I'm pretty sure this video was gonna be 20 minutes or less. Me not talking, I'm pretty sure you can get this makeup done in 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it. That way you can be notified every single time that your girl makes it upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.